Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Nasir Ulwan from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I will present my systematic literature review titled Computational Thinking Through Unplugged Activities Based on Spatial Reasoning Maps. The study explores how unplugged and map-based learning activities can effectively foster computational thinking among elementary school students. Integrating computational thinking or CT in elementary school still faces major challenges, such as limited access to technology, teacher readiness, and infrastructure gaps. As Janet Wing, 2006, stated, CT's key literacy for the 21st century as essential as reading and writing. To address these challenges, Unplugged Learning offer a low-tech but meaningful alternative. It uses games, physical maps, and spatial reasoning tasks to engage students. Interestingly, spatial reasoning, including skill like mental rotation and visualization, aligns closely with the cognitive processes behind computational thinking. This study used a systematic literature review approach following Prisma guidelines, covering studies from 2006 to 2024. Data were collected from major databases including Scopus, Webs of Science, ERIC, and Google Scholar. The focus was on city outcome in elementary level map-based or unplugged activities. After screening 312 record, 49 studies meet the inclusion criteria, consisting of 3 quantitative, 9 qualitative, and 8 mixed method studies. This process ensure rigor, transparency, and a comprehensive understanding of the field. The review The review found that unplugged map-based activity effectively enhance all four core pillars of computational thinking. First, decomposition. Students learn to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. Second, pattern recognition. The identify trend and similarities in spatial or geographical context. Third, abstraction. They learn to focus on the most relevant information, simplify problem by ignoring unnecessary details. And fourth, algorithm design. Students develop logical order step to solve problem even without using computers. However, only about 15% of the review studies examine the transfer of city skill from unplugged to digital context. This means that while unplugged learning is effective, students might not automatically apply those skills when they start coding digitally. Therefore, there is a need for a structured pedagogical model that bridges unplugged learning with digital computational thinking. To address this gap, I propose the UPSIP model, which stands for Unplugged Spatial Computational Thinking Model. It represents a four-stage development pathway. First, spatial activation, where students engage in hands-on, concrete spatial activities. Second, city skill formation, where they develop unplugged computational thinking skill through game and puzzle. Third, bridging to coding, where their skills are represented symbolically and logically. Finally, digital city application, where learners apply their understanding in actual coding or digital environment. In conclusion, map-based unplugged activities are powerful tools to build foundational computational thinking in young learners. Spatial reasoning serves as a cognitive catalyst that makes it Spatial reasoning serves as a cognitive catalyst that makes city learning more intuitive and engaging. The proposed UpSPCT model provides a clear bridge from unplugged experience to digital coding skill. This approach is highly relevant for Curriculum Merdeka and IPAS subject in Indonesia, as it promotes hands-on, contextual, and integrated learning. Future research should focus on developing city assessment tools and study long-term impact on student digital fluency. Thank you very much for your attention.